Welcome back to your favourite learning place, Noor Kids TV. Today we're going to explore something green, growing and totally amazing. Yes, we're talking about the parts of a plant. From the roots down in the ground to the flowers blooming up high, every part of a plant has a special job, and we're going to discover them all together. So grab your thinking caps, your watering cans, and let's dig into this leafy adventure. Are you ready? Let's grow and go. Lesson objectives: parts of a plant. By the end of this video, you will be able to count the parts of a plant. Let's find out how many main parts a plant has. Can you count them all with us? 2. Describe the function of each part. What do the roots do? Why do plants need leaves? We'll learn what each part of the plant does to help it grow and stay healthy. 3. Explain the importance of each part. Every part of a plant is special and important. You'll understand how each one plays a big role in the plant's life, just like how every kid is special in their own way. Now we're going to learn what is a plant. Plants are living things that grow in the soil and need sunlight, water, and air to live. They can't walk or talk, but they do something amazing. They make their own food using sunlight. Plants come in all shapes and sizes, like big trees, small flowers, green grass, and even tiny herbs. They are super important because they give us oxygen to breathe, food to eat, and make the earth beautiful and green. So remember, no plants, no life. That's how special they are. Now we will see what are the parts of a plant. Plants are made up of different parts, and guess what? Each part has a special job to help the plant grow big and strong. Let's take a look at the main parts of a plant. 1. Leaves, the plant's food factory. Leaves use sunlight to make food through a process called photosynthesis. 2. Flowers, the colourful part. Flowers help the plant make seeds and attract insects like bees. 3. Stem, this is the plant's support stick. It holds the plant up and carries water and food between the roots and leaves. 4. Fruits, yum! These often grow from flowers. Fruits protect the seeds and sometimes become food for us. 5. Seeds, tiny power packs. Seeds grow into new plants when they are in the right soil with water and sunlight. 6. Roots, these grow under the ground. They hold the plant in place and take in water and nutrients from the soil. Every single part has a very special job, just like you do at home or in school. Let's take a closer look at each one. 1. Flowers, the plant's beauty and seed makers. Flowers are the colourful and pretty part of the plant. They often smell sweet and come in all kinds of shapes and colours. Flowers attract pollinators like bees, butterflies and birds, and these helpful visitors move pollen from one flower to another. This helps the plant make seeds so new plants can grow. 2. Leaves, the plant's food factories. Leaves are flat and green and they grow on the stem. They are super important because they make food for the plant using sunlight, air and water in a process called photosynthesis. Leaves also exchange gases with the air, taking in carbon dioxide and giving out oxygen. 3. Stems, the plant's support and highway. The stem grows above the ground and gives the plant support, kind of like a backbone. It holds up the leaves, flowers, buds and fruits. And guess what? The stem also works like a highway, carrying water, food and nutrients to all parts of the plant. 4. Fruits, the seed. Protectors. Fruits grow from flowers and are the parts that hold and protect the seeds. Fruits help spread the seeds so new plants can grow in new places. They're often sweet or sour, and many are super tasty, like apples, bananas and mangoes. 5. Seeds, the beginning of a new plant. Seeds are usually small and protected by a seed coat. Inside each seed is a tiny baby plant called an embryo and some stored food to help it grow. When you plant a seed in the soil and give it water and sunlight, it can grow into a brand new plant. 6. Roots, the underground. Helpers' roots grow below the soil, where we usually can't see them. But they do big things. They anchor the plant in place so it doesn't fall over. Roots also absorb water and nutrients from the soil. And guess what? Some roots store food for the plant, like carrots and radishes. Yummy! So kids, now we know that a plant isn't just something green in the garden. It's a living thing made of many important parts, and each one has a special job. Roots hold the plant and take in water. Stems carry food and water. Leaves make food using sunlight. Flowers help make seeds. Fruits protect the seeds. And seeds grow into new plants. Just like every part of a plant works together, we also work together, at home, in school, and in our families. Thank you so much for watching and learning with us on Noor Kids TV. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss our next fun and educational video. Until next time, keep growing, keep learning, and keep smiling. Hey, hey.